How to pay with Google Pay on eBay. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily pay with Google Pay on eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your eBay app. Then once you're on the eBay app, go to the product that you want to buy and pay through Google Pay. So let me open up a product quickly. So now once you're on the product page, swipe down and here tap on buy now. And then here in the checkout page you will see here pay with, select payment and currency options, tap on it. And then here you will see the pay with options, so select Google Pay. And then after selecting Google Pay, tap on continue. Then here tap on buy with Google Pay and wait for all this to load. And then here tap on continue. Now here add your card number, here month, year, security code, and you have to fill in all these details. After you fill in all these details, enter here your phone number and tap on save card. And once you save card, tap on continue here. And then after that continue with the payment process and you will be able to pay with Google Pay on eBay. So this is how you can pay with Google Pay on eBay. Thanks for watching.